You're by the side of a road now, not far from here. It's 6:30 in the morning. You've been here for 3 hours. You're near a street lamp, and you're next to a tree. You're on your phone, your cell phone. You say, Marcia, not now, baby. You say, tell Mommy it's me, darling. Would ya, baby? You say, Dawn, love. I'm sorry, I couldn't sleep, Dawn. You say, I'm weaker than you. You say, she's here, love, she's here, I'm with her now. It starts to rain. Your face flushes with color. You say, Dawn? Dawn! You say, fuck you. Say fuck you into the microphone.
Fuck you.
Your phone's dead. You're cold in this rain, by this tree. Dawn will come to get you. She'll bring Marcy. She'll tell you that it's fucking freezing. She'll say, it's a tree, Andy. It's just a fucking tree.
Have you ever been hypnotized before, young lady?
Say no.
No? Well, there's a first time for everything, isn't there? Hey, what's your name, gorgeous?
Say Amanda.
Amanda. A beautiful name for a beautiful girl, isn't she beautiful, ladies and gentlemen? Yes, sit back and relax, Amanda, that's great. You, sir, what's your name?
Move to this chair. Say Peter.
Peter. He's a good-looking lad, isn't he, girl? A little bit of eye candy for the ladies. Well, just sit back and relax, Peter. Great. You, miss, what's your name?
Move to this chair. Say Wendy.
Wendy. Peter and Wendy. You ever been hypnotized before, Wendy?
Say yeah.
Yeah. Hey, well, you'll know when, what you do, won't you?
Move to this chair.
What's your name, darling?
Say
Jackie. A bit nervous, Jackie? Or is that just the alcohol talking, honey? Well, no reason to be nervous, Jackie. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Can I have a word?
Dog, that's a word. Although, Jackie, it's him I would be nervous of. I thought I said no one with a mental illness. What's your name, mate?
Say Neil.
Neil. Your wife in, Neil?
Say wanker.
Wanker? Right, mate, okay. Thank you, Neil. If you'd like to go ahead and rejoin your party, ladies and gentlemen, Neil.